I always say we don't sell machines, we don't sell pieces of metal. What we sell is your ability and your opportunity to scale your company 3, 5, 10x. I'm Ryan Cabral, and I'm the CEO of Ideal Solutions Packaging Systems. Here at Ideal Solutions, what we do is we help food and supplement brands and manufacturers scale 3 to 5 times by helping them automate their packaging solutions. What we really help people do is those founders or CEOs of CPG companies that really have a pressure to scale massively. They come to us and they want to scale 10x in the next 3 years. Automating their lines become a must-have instead of just a nice-to-have. There's a lot of customers coming to you, and the only reason you're saying no is because you can't fulfill the order. And at that point, you're just losing money. And you're not just losing 1 or 2 orders, you're losing that customer that could have stayed with you for the next 10 years. And this is actually one of the biggest ones that people don't understand or don't recognize at first, is actually the loss of reputation. Once you have a business that relies on manual labor or on just inefficient equipment and efficient lines, what starts happening is you start delivering products that are outside of the weight specifications that it needed to be, where maybe you're just delaying and extending your lead times and missing on delivery deadlines. And that not only eats up your margin, but it actually deteriorates your reputation. In this business, reputation precedes you. The fact that we are able to help the customer build a customized solution from scratch, we can literally sit with them, understand exactly what their pains and their problems are, and build a fully customized automation solution that will take them from point A to point B. Most of the time, they can do as much production as they used to do in about half the time. That right there just helps you understand how much value and how much time it brings back to the business and how much more capacity they have to serve more customers. And here at IDS, we provide, frankly, the best customer support post-sale, honestly, in the industry. We do it by doing it very simply. We just care about the customer. We call them, we text them all the time, and we genuinely just care. So reach out. Let's talk. Let's understand your packaging line. Let's understand your scale goals, and let's see where you're at, and to see if it's the right time for you to do it. Talk to us at idealsolutionusa.com or reach out to us in any of our social media, and we'll love to talk to you.